Hello guys, welcome. This is Pure Graphics. In this video, I'll teach you how to change the colors of any image in Adobe Illustrator. So let's get started. First, open the image you want to change its color. Now, embed and go to Edit menu, Edit colors, and come back to grayscale. Now open your color swatch and change to any color just like so. Or if you don't want it this way, open your image once again and now go to Edit again and Edit colors. This time adjust color balance. Check the preview and now you can play with the sliders to your satisfaction, like so. Okay guys, thanks so much for watching. Don't forget to subscribe to my channel. I'll see you in my next tutorial.